Today was another one of those technical analysis is not random days. SPY ran down to tap its support trend line and bounced nicely from it. Crude oil futures kept plummeting. The U.S. 30-year yield is sitting in a massive monthly ascending triangle, with the Fed decision coming tomorrow. Let's walk through what Grok Trade is seeing ahead of tomorrow's Fed decision. And quick reminder before we get into the charts. This is not financial advice, not a buy or sell recommendation. So trade the chart in front of you, manage your risk, and speak with a qualified financial advisor for guidance specific to your situation.
Right. And just looking at the action for today, Tuesday, July 28th, 2026, I mean, the indices are completely fractured.
Oh, totally.
Yeah, like the Dow DIA is flexing with some real relative strength, up about 1.08%, while QQQ is just heavily lagging.
Right.
And as we mentioned yesterday, SPY is still holding that larger symmetrical triangle.
Yeah, and while equities are, stalling out in that pattern, light crude oil futures, CL, basically just plummeted.
Exactly. I mean, overhead resistance remains the key there.
Okay, so I got to ask you an analogy here. When price hits a trendline support like that SPY tap today, is it like hitting a trampoline where you'd expect a violent, immediate bounce?
Yeah.
Or is it more just like pausing on a ledge?
Oh, it's definitely a ledge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clean trendline reactions matter, for sure, because it shows the market acknowledges the boundary, but traders still need confirmation.
Right.
A bounce is really only constructive if the bulls actually follow through. You just can't assume direction before the market confirms it. That's a huge trap.
Makes sense.
That brings us to tomorrow's catalyst, right? The Fed interest rate decision.
Right, the big one. And that ties directly into the U.S. 30-year yield, U.S. 30Y, right?
Yeah.
It's sitting in this massive ascending triangle on the monthly chart.
Yeah, and that's a serious risk. Like, if the Fed triggers a breakout higher in yields, it creates a massive mechanical challenge for stocks.
Oh, big time. Which probably explains why the material sector, XLB, failed to hold its breakout today. It closed right back inside its symmetrical triangle.
Exactly. I mean, a breakout attempt just isn't complete if the price closes back inside the pattern.
Do you think it falls from resistance here? Or is it just pausing before real upside breakout?
It's hard to say before the Fed, but we're also seeing these highly compressed charts in the copper space.
Right, like Southern Copper Corporation, SCCO, gapping down, but then bouncing perfectly off its rising support.
Yep. And the U.S. Copper Index Fund, CPER, tightening up in a symmetrical triangle as well. It's just very compressed right now.
But then you contrast that with precious metals, right?
Yeah.
Total weakness. Gold futures, GC, fell directly from resistance.
Yeah, it's actually threatening its last two swing lows in a descending triangle style setup.
Wow. And silver futures, SI, dropped too. Plus, crypto's pretty quiet. Bitcoin only edged higher by like 0.24%.
Right. So barely anything there. It's all eyes on the Fed.
So tomorrow's Fed decision is undeniably a major catalyst for all these technical decision points.
Absolutely. Wishing everyone a great rest of the day. But before you log off, just think about this. When everyone on Wall Street is staring at the exact same ascending triangle on the 30-year yield, does the breakout happen because of the Fed's economic data, or just because algos execute the second that technical threshold is crossed?
Ooh, something to think about, for sure. We'll catch you tomorrow as we track the Fed decision and whether these major setups finally get real follow-through. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're a newer trader and want a great foundation with no fluff, start with our free Trading 101 videos at groktrade.com/learn. And if you're ready to reach your full trading potential, whether you're a total beginner or a battle-hardened trader, check out our mentorship program at groktrade.com/trading mentor. All of these links are in the description below. Grok Trade is where traders reach their full potential.